Welcome to our channel. Today I have with me a Lego Technic McLaren Senna GTR. This is probably one of the coolest cars ever built. I never really knew what this was until about maybe 4 or 5 years ago when my buddy Ezzy told me about it, and then I started looking into it, and naturally it became the main car in Forza Horizon 4, and now it's a super popular car. I have never built one of these before. This is my first time building a Lego vehicle. I never even knew how popular these were until I have a cousin in Georgia. His name is Leon. I just reconnected with him recently, and it turns out we have similar likes. He's into cars, nice, fast cars, luxury cars, just like I am. He likes guns. He likes, well, basically everything most guys like, I guess you can say, except in our family, I think we're the only two. But anyway, so one day I was talking to him on the phone, and he told me about a Porsche GT3 that originally came out by Lego, and it started selling for, I think it was $300, maybe $350, something in that range. And that car became so popular, and there was such a huge following for it. It kind of became like Nike shoes, I guess you can say. It sold out right away, and once Lego stopped selling them on their site, price jumped up. It tripled, like overnight. Everyone started selling them for like $900, $1,000, whatnot. Anyway, so once he told me about that, I kind of looked into it to see what it's all about. I did not jump into buying the $300 vehicles. However, I did see this McLaren Senna, and I wanted to give it a shot, and not to collect like how other people, or not to buy and try to flip for more money, but just because I thought it was super cool. Mind you, this is only 830 pieces. The other bigger models, I think the Porsche was somewhere in the range of like 2,000 pieces, 3,000 pieces. I know the Lamborghini is more like 4,000 pieces. But yeah, me and my wife, after seeing these on the website, we decided we wanted to see if this is maybe something we wanted to try out as a hobby. So we got this one, again, 830 pieces. I think it was maybe $50 or so. I think we found it on Amazon, and I've seen different response times online. Some people say they have built it in 2 hours, some say more than 4 hours. So that is why I came prepared. I have my tea, I have some fruit to keep me going, I have some extra water and whatnot, because I honestly don't know how long this is going to take. The last time I built anything remotely close to a Lego was probably when I was in elementary, which is, eons ago. So I am gonna start with this. Once I start actually building this vehicle, I will speed up the video so you don't have to sit here for hours and watch me build this. But I am gonna start the timer on my iPad too once I actually start. But for starters, let's open the box and see what this is all about. See, I have my knife somewhere here. Do I need a knife? Or, oh, actually, looks like there's tabs that I can open. Okay. Once again, this is my first time building one of these, so if you're looking for a professional how to build one of these videos, you're in the wrong channel. If you want to see how long it takes a person who has never tried one of these before, you're at the right place. It looks like it comes very well organized. I'm gonna put the box away. The bags are numbered. Okay, let me turn on my extra light so we have some more light on here. We have a bag 1, a bag 2, small bag 2, so bag 1, 2, and 3, big and small. And then we have a bag of the tires, and I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a piece of the axle or... We'll find out in a bit. You can tell the tires are staggered. The rear wheels are about twice the size of the front wheels, but okay, there's all the stickers for once the product is complete. Yeah, I can tell by the manual this is gonna take a while. By the way, the noise you hear in the background, I turned on Castle, which is one of my favorite shows. That's gonna be playing. I'm on season 3 right now, just so it's not super dead quiet while I'm attempting to do this. Wow, this does not look easy, honestly. So it shows you what bag 1, bag 2, and bag 3 is supposed to be, I guess you can say, but huh, what did I get myself into? So it looks like it jumps straight into wow. I don't even know if I can do this. To be honest, I could be wrong, but as of right now, this does not look easy at all. Especially since it's my first time trying one of these. But, alright, let's see what we can do. If I'm doing this correctly, I think we will start by opening up bag 1 and oh, alright, I'm gonna start my timer and let's see what we can do. Okay, so finally finished with the McLaren. As you can see on my timer, it took 4 hours, 18 minutes, and 15 seconds. I think that's about the average time that Google showed. I still don't understand how this is made for 10-year-olds. It's a lot harder than I thought. Not hard as in difficult, just time consuming. A lot of pieces. Again, it's not tough to do. it's not difficult at all. It's just a lot of pieces. This is the finished product. There's a small gear on top where you can actually turn the wheels left and right. You have your suicide style or Lamborghini style doors on the McLaren Senna that you can open and close. I mean, the detail on this thing is just amazing. The stickers that it comes with, the red tubes that look like tail lights, the spoiler, the diffuser. I mean, the detail, even though this was just a smaller Lego piece, again, only 830 pieces. Some of the bigger, regular sized ones, the super popular ones like the Porsche, they're 3,000 pieces. The Lamborghinis are, I think, 4,000 something pieces. I think the Ferrari, the 458 or the 488, which I love, I think that was like 4,000 pieces also. But this is the actual pictures of the McLaren Senna completed that they have provided, and of course Lego catalog on here. But yeah, so again, I mean, I'm sure nobody's gonna sit and watch the whole video that I did in slow-mo, so I am gonna speed up the video for the actual process of me putting this together. But if anybody does actually watch the whole thing, like second by second, I follow the instructions to a T, but I have all this left over here. Yeah, maybe 10 or so pieces left over. I'm not sure if Lego did that intentionally to, just in case you lose some pieces, or if I just didn't follow instructions properly, or if you know, it was just a production error and they just put in more pieces than they were supposed to. But yeah, again, it took 4 hours and 18 minutes to complete the whole thing. However, it's very rewarding. Now that I am finished with it, I can actually, it's very, very similar to the Lego McLaren Senna that's in Forza Horizon 4. And now that we have actually tried and built one of these ourselves, if you ask me my personal opinion, I think I am actually going to start buying more of these, some of the bigger ones, some of the more complex ones, the 4,000 piece ones. I'm sure those I probably won't be able to finish in one sitting, but you can see the engine pieces move also when the car is rolling. Again, you have the moving steering that you, even on this small model. I know on the bigger models, I've heard that the detail is just insane. Even the interior detail and, you know, slight details on the outside you wouldn't expect from a Lego model are all present. So yeah, there you have it. This was literally my first time building one of these, and as a first time builder with zero experience with one of these, it took me 4 hours and 18 minutes. However, I can tell you, I can totally tell that starting from my next one and the one after that, it will get a lot faster. It won't, for someone who does this regularly, I guarantee it won't even take maybe half the time that it took me, or maybe even less than that. But yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I totally love this. I can't believe how great it came out, how much detail is involved in these, and again, I know I'm gonna start buying a lot more of these. It's another hobby that's gonna be added on to all the hobbies that I already have. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'm not sure if I'll do such a detailed video on the next one, but I will definitely let you guys know if there's any differences or if there are any notable changes in the different vehicles. Thank you for watching. Until next time.